stupid bird review. Urgh! It's the 15th review of the stupid bird reviews. We got the blue-winged laughing kookaburra. He will not stand up. Anyways, so this is the blue-winged laughing kookaburra. He was released in 2003. Mine was made in 2015. Camera won't focus like usual. He works too. I think. I guess he does not work anymore. Well, that's cool, I guess. I have another one that has the same sound. So this guy is pretty interesting. One of the best things is this one is so fluffy. This is like one of the fluffiest birds ever. Look at this fluff. So he has this off-white fluff under here, white fluffy face, fluffy white head, with this brown short material here, and then there's brown longer material that's on the front here and behind the eyes. Chocolate brown back with a striped orange and black tail with a white tip that is white underneath, and he has gray feet and blue wings, and a half and half beak that's gray and cream color. And his eyes are brown. This one is from the Australian Bird series, I believe. It's like one of the last birds they released for Australian Bird Series 1. But yeah, I'm going to give him a 6 out of 10.